The very first time you launch 3ds Max, you'll get a screen that asks you whether you want the classic or design mode. We're going to be using classic mode in this course. Once you get past that screen, you'll get to this screen, which is the welcome screen that says, here are all the recent files you've loaded, and here are some startup templates from which you can choose. We're not going to be using these, so we can just close this welcome screen by clicking on the X in the upper right corner. And we've got the classic interface here, or the default workspace. And if you want to switch between the different workspace modes, that's done from up here on the main toolbar. You'll see a pull down that says Workspace Default. If you click on that, you have some options. And Design Standard is the simplified interface. We can switch to that and see what it looks like. And once all the icons load, we see we have these big giant icons here for some of the most common tools. And then there are some tabs here. We're not going to be covering this design interface. We'll be using the default workspace. So we can switch to one of the other options here. There's default with enhanced menus. You can play with that. That's kind of cute because it's got these menus that have a little bit of smart options. So you can see these enhanced menus can be torn off or minimized and maximized and so on. That's all relatively new to 3ds Max. So if you're going to be staying with the tried and true, as I am, I recommend that you use the default workspace. And that's what we'll be using throughout this course.